if you want to enhance your security and manage your devices in Outlook. Removing old devices from your security settings is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account is secure. Step 1. Sign into your account. Open your web browser and go to the Outlook website. Enter your email address and password to log into your account. Step 2. Access security settings. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Manage devices. In the security settings, find the option that allows you to manage devices connected to your account. This may be labeled as Manage Devices or Connected Devices. Step 4. Review connected devices. You will see a list of devices that are currently connected to your Outlook account. Review this list carefully to identify any old or unused devices that you want to remove. Step 5. Remove old devices. Select the old devices you wish to remove and follow the prompts to disconnect them from your account. Confirm any actions if prompted to ensure they are successfully removed. By following these steps, you can easily keep your Outlook account secure by managing and removing old devices. Regularly checking your security settings is a good practice to maintain your account's safety.